Hey guys, bringing you another do-it-yourself computer video today. I have a Lenovo laptop here, and I'm going to show you how to make sure your updates are all processed and your drivers are all up to date. Oftentimes when you are troubleshooting an error, or if you notice your computer or some program in it is being kind of glitchy, the first step that you'll be told to do when you call into a warranty repair line or when you talk to a tech, the first thing they tell you to do is make sure your updates are all run. Oftentimes updates are going to correct errors, and oftentimes updates come out to correct errors that they find out. So I'm going to show you how to get in here today, start your updates, and some stuff to look out for while you're running it. So the first thing I'm going to do, it's pretty easy actually. You go down here to your start menu and type in updates. Now the first thing that comes up is this. Let me zoom in here for you. You can see the screen a little better. The first thing you're going to see is check for updates under system settings, and that's what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. I'm going to open that up. Now right here it says no updates available. Never trust that when it says that. This is not live. So when it says no updates, it means the last time it's scanned. You'll see a button down here that says check for updates. I'll always click that even if it says no updates are available. So I'm going to go up here and click check for updates. As usual, if you have any questions through this, if you're seeing something that you don't recognize, or if something throws you on your computer that I don't go over here, check out the frequently asked questions below in the description. That could save you some time getting an answer. If you don't see your question there and you need to leave me a question in the form of a comment, I do try to get back to you a few times a day at least. So as you can see here, once it searched for updates, all these updates just populated. And as you can see, several are pending download. One just jumped right into it, downloading. So it's 100% downloaded now. Now it's installing. So that's what you're gonna see when you actually click on check for updates. If you do have updates available, they'll populate down like that. Now sometimes they'll populate, but the list will be so long they won't actually start downloading. So what you'd want to do is bring your mouse over to the edge, scroll down. Yeah, a lot of updates here. And then towards the bottom, sometimes if it doesn't auto start updating or auto start downloading, there'll be a button here that says download. Or there'll be a button there that says start downloads, or some sort of prompt to get this process moving. So make sure that you don't just see it populate and then walk away. Make sure you check down here for that button as well. Now depending on how many updates you have, this could take a very long time. Make sure your computer's plugged in and charging. Oftentimes if a computer loses power and shuts down during updates, at the absolute least the updates can get messed up. At the most your operating system can get messed up. So make sure your computer's plugged in while these updates are running. This computer here, I just installed Windows Fresh a few minutes ago. So this is gonna have at least 2, 3, maybe 4 hours of updates because it's a fresh version of Windows 10. So every now and then, if you have a lot of updates, you can walk away, you can leave it. As you can see, this one's downloading, this one's pending, this one's downloading 13%. So this will work itself through. Sometimes, however, it'll get jammed up, it'll stop. Sometimes this update won't go through because this one hasn't gone through yet. Sometimes it'll get jammed up. So keep an eye out. And if it gets completely stuck and nothing's happening, try restarting your computer. Also restart your computer if you see it say pending restart. Or sometimes it'll prompt you to restart to continue updating. So keep an eye on that. Restarting is your best friend if it's asking for it or if it stopped updating. And then once you restart your computer and you come back to your desktop, you'd get in here the same way you just did. You'd search for updates down here, you'd open this up, and you'd hit on check for updates and you get this going all over again. And you would keep doing that process over and over again until finally you come back, you hit check updates, and there's no more updates. So that's how you would update your computer. That's how you would make sure that all your drivers are up to date. Again, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. If this didn't solve the problem you were hoping that it would solve, if you tried updating your computer to stop some glitches and it's not stopping it, leave me a message and I can walk you through how to fix that glitch. So like and share if this was helpful. If you enjoy do-it-yourself computer work, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys.